everybody, and welcome to Assignment U. This is Section 4.5. We're just going to talk about a few problems on the first page, page 207. Directions say, what corresponding parts must be congruent in order to prove that the triangles are congruent by the ASA Postulate? Write the triangle congruent statement. Okay, looking at number 1, we've already noted that angle D and angle B are congruent. The angle DCE and BCA are congruent. The only thing we're missing is this segment right in between. So we need to point out that DC is congruent to BC, and that's exactly what we will do. We will make that statement right here, DC congruent to BC, and by that we now have established angle side angle, so we can safely say triangle CDE is congruent to triangle CBA. On number 2, we have to point out a couple things because they're only telling us one angle. Angle XWY and angle ZWY are congruent. We also need to point out angle X and angle Z, that those are congruent to each other, so we will say that here. And then we also need to point out that segment WX is congruent to WZ. Now that we've established angle side and another angle, we can safely say that triangle WXY is in fact congruent to triangle WZY. Alright, and on number 3 here, so far we have angles E and angle D congruent, segment EB and segment DB congruent. We need to point out these angles right here and here, how they are also congruent. So that would be angle ABE is congruent to angle CBD. Now we've established angle side angle, we can safely say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CBD. And there you go.